University
Hospital.
Hospital. Waiting in the elevator.
Keep your elevators moving, but nothing opens.
Was this so long? See? Open now. This is our dream. Here's the horse.
But that's beautiful.
Archie, what's in there, RJ? No, how would you do? That's a purse. Give me your gloves. Open this purse at the top. There you go. Isn't that RJ? There's RJ playing.
Yeah, now.
What?
Yeah, at the other open place we had this.
Yeah. Hey, look. We just sing that, see?
Yeah.
That like a story. Well. Oops.
What is this guy?
What's that? Okay, that's it, RJ. RJ tried to slide the door.
Yeah, take a peek.
The door
Peek out.
is peeking, RJ. What you peeking there, RJ?
I hear them talking about me.
What did you talk, RJ?
Couldn't tell. Go peek again.
And that you turn off the light.
No, don't
Don't
do
do
that.
that. Oh, RJ,
RJ,
different.
don't play that.
That's the light.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me, tricker?
Yes.
Hey, guys.
What's that?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Don't touch him.
I'm never sleep.
Please.
Second floor.
There's more. I want to see the second floor.
Here's the view. Here's the city. There.
Where's this? Hey,
That's it.
which elevator is it?
Yep.
Anyone? Any one of these two.
What happens if it's
We
that?
go down, RJ.
You're going to go down to P1.
Okay.
Oh, no, lobby. Hold on.
What?
Lobby, yeah, one store.
Level 1.
I'm gonna go out.
I'm going to get hurt.
I'm gonna do it.
No.
Wow!
Careful.
How? What is this? It makes me
Okay, we
dizzy.
go down here.
And the
There's
thing-
the University of Utah. University
Hospital.
Hospital.
Adult emergency.
Yep. Looking for Dunkin' Donuts. Where is now, RJ? Dunkin' Donuts, where are you? This is Salt Lake City.
train's not here. We missed it. State Street.
I guess it's in the where.
Let's go south more. We missed Dunkin' Donuts. Carl's Jr.
Is that to butt right?
Look at that there. Maybe that.
There it is. There's Dunkin' Donuts.
Street to Dunkin' Donut. We found it.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
You hit it.
What?
The barrier. Construction barrier. So maybe they got the weather wrong again. It's clearing up. The sun's coming out.
Is the construction barrier here?
Not here, but over there.
Crashed into it?
Okay, I'll take
Here, the croissant. Dunkin' Donut croissant. It's it.